Oh, big crash. Alright, we're gonna get you. Let's get him, Riley. Let's go. Crash. Alright.
Come on, guys. Come on.
Alright, let's go. Let's go, Riley. Oh, whoa, crash. That was a big one.
Let's get him.
Who we get? Who we getting? Who we getting?
Get Bjorn.
Oh, okay. All right, let's go get Bjorn. Oh, thank you. Where'd he go? Oh, it's quite a mess in here. Let's see. Where's Bjorn? Hold on. Let's look in here. Maybe. Is he hiding in the dark? There he is!